we're laughing because Ian Delaney is through the window doing the floss. Lads, I just wanted to come on and say that Amanda and I are so bloody excited about this morning. She's so relaxed, she's nearly horizontal.
For a change. I haven't had a relaxing week because of the excitement and the nerves, but they're the same thing.
We arrived in the same bloody colour.
What are we like? Powerhouse.
Unbelievable. Yeah. But I wanted to just show you the room. Isn't the room gorgeous, Amanda?
It's fab.
Hang on, we just showed them.
Nearly with our outfits.
Look at the room. Look at the outside. Look at the space that we have and the light and everything.
But the girls were even saying that they're in there having their brekkie and having something to eat, and they were saying the energy when you come in here.
Oh, yeah.
The brightness. It's just the space. It's just fab. Great.
So everybody's in there through that door and they're all having their brekkie. And then we'll stop at lunchtime and have something else to eat.
Oh, Ian
we're feeders. We feed people.
There'll be plenty of food here today.
Exactly. So I'm dying to hear. I had to say to her yesterday, stop talking. Don't tell me more about your content. I can't wait to sit down and actually experience it myself.
Yeah.
So I'm dying to hear what it is that Amanda has to say. Today is an extremely important day for Amanda because she is presenting. Can you believe? I can't believe it.
Yes. For
the very first time.
Well, I've done a workshop last year. And so this one, do you know what? Such an honour to stand shoulder to shoulder with this amazing lady.
I just said that to Ian about you when you're in the kitchen.
Because growth, it's all about the growth. We spoke about this yesterday, but I feel like I've grown another 6 foot since last year. Yeah. So this is a big day, and it's the start of something. Yeah, I was actually going through my notes of stuff I'm going to cover today, and I found something, and it was something that I was asked to do that I'm going to ask these girls to do today, and that is predicting your future. And when I read it today, I got goosebumps because this is exactly it. Yeah. So it's all good. I have to answer.
I'm just going to answer that call. That's one of our clients on the way. So listen, lads, take it easy. Have an absolutely fantastic Saturday. And if being part of Unconditionally You exclusive on behalf of We Can and We Will is something that you're interested in, get in touch with Amanda Delaney or get onto the Eventbrite page and get your ticket for next week, because next week is the last time that this is ever going to happen.
Yeah, that's it.
Take it easy, lads. Slán, have a great day.